Hello everybody and welcome to the first in a series of tutorials about C#. In today's lesson we will download and install Microsoft Visual Studio, we will get to learn to know the program, and we will write a simple Hello World application. Now, if you haven't got Microsoft Visual Studio yet, you can download it for free from www.microsoft.com/Visual Studio. Select tab Products and select Visual C# Express. So go ahead, download and install the program now, and after you've installed it, we will get to know the program. Okay, so after you've opened the program, you will see this screen. You'll notice that the interface has been divided in a number of sections. Do not worry if you do not see all these sections that you see on my screen. Visual Studio only displays a select number by default. So if you want to add some of these screens, and I recommend that you do, you can add them by selecting the tab View in the toolbar, select Other Windows, and just click the windows that you want to add. To start, I recommend that you display the toolbox, the form designer, the solution explorer, the properties window, and the arrow list. I'll explain the sections shortly. So in the toolbox you can select various elements called widgets like buttons, text areas, calendars, you name it, Visual Studio has it. In the form design screen you will see in real time how your screen will appear when running your application. The Solution Explorer contains all the files that your project contains. You can add, edit, remove, rename various files in this screen here. The Properties window displays various properties of a widget or a form, such as its height, its width, its name, its text property, its text color. About anything you can change about a widget, you can change it in a property window. The error list contains various errors that your code will contain. Do not presume that you won't type any errors. It happens to the best of us. You'll code errors almost instantly. So if you code any, Visual Studio will catch them and it will display them here. You can then double click an arrow and the program will automatically take you to the line where your arrow is located. So I hope that wasn't too overwhelming. Don't panic if you do not understand what all these windows do, you will learn them as we go. So right now let's create our first program.